Hello everyone, welcome back to our basic Excel course. Today we're going to learn how to easily unhide columns and rows that you've previously hidden in your spreadsheet. Sometimes we hide columns or rows to keep the view clean, but later you might want to bring those hidden parts back to see or edit the data again. The good news is unhiding them is quick and simple. First, to unhide a hidden column, start by selecting the columns on either side of the hidden one. For example, if column G is hidden, select columns F and H together by clicking and dragging across their headers. Then right-click anywhere on the selected columns and choose Unhide. Just like that, your hidden column G will appear again. The same method works for rows. If rows 15 and 16 are hidden, select the rows above and below those hidden rows, rows 14 and 17, by clicking and dragging on their row numbers. Then right-click and choose Unhide. The hidden rows will instantly be visible again. This simple technique helps keep your workbook organized while still allowing you to access all your data whenever you need it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more useful tips in this basic Excel course. See you in the next video.